Recently, a lot of people has been complaining that they are not making money online. For you to be able to make money online today, there are basic skills that you actually need to acquire. And these skills are high paying skills. Anybody can acquire it based on your interests. At the end of this video, you will be able to discover and know the high paying skills that you actually need to know. And these skills, you can actually choose one, only one, and master it. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 15 high income skills that you actually need if you want to be making money on the internet. And if you have any of these skills, there is no how that you cannot make money on the internet. If you're not making money on the internet and you have all the skills, know that you are not really serious. And for you to acquire most of the skills is actually easy. Some of those skills are already on the internet, especially on YouTube, for you to take tutorial lessons, or you can register for some online courses so that you can be able to use these particular skills and make money. These skills has been helping a lot of people to skyrocket their career, and you too can also make use of them. Now guys, let's dive into this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel. Let's do the first skills that anybody need to be able to make money today online, whether offline or online, is to have video production and editing skills. Video production today and editing skills are making money for people because business owners and individuals are looking for ways to engage and hook their audience with their video skills. And if you know how to do those video skills and production, there is no how that you will not be making money. If you know how to use some particular effects and you are an expert in this particular field, there is no how that you are not going to be making money on the internet or offline with these particular skills. So you can actually learn this video editing and video production on online social media like YouTube. You can also learn them and take a course on this. You understand? There are different kinds of softwares that you actually need for you to be able to, start doing all of these video editing skills. The next one, number two, is copywriting skills. Copywriting skills is actually one of the best skills, income high skills that anybody can learn today and make money. You can work in freelancing jobs, in a freelancing sites, and they'll be paying you at least. Some people earn up to $45, $15 per hour, depending on your skills. And this copywriting skills is something that you can actually learn on a tutorial. Right now, you know that online business is actually making money with these copywriting skills. People write do write-ups about products, and it's only copywriting that is joining a customer with a seller. I hope you know that. So copywriting skills is one of the basic skills that you actually need to know right now. And the next one that you actually need to know is social media marketing. Up to now, we have over 1 billion people on the social media. And a lot of people are going into social media to be able to do their businesses, make sales, and connect with other people. And they don't even have time to be able to do some certain things. So they need to hire people that are good in social media, marketing. People post items for them, people answer messages for them on social media, and they connect with their audience. People hire somebody to be able to do this. So if you know that you have skills doing social media marketing, you are in the right place because this will definitely give you a job. One thing that you should always know is that you can actually learn any of the skills. It's not hard, and they'll be paying you depending on the agreement that you have with the owner. And the next skill that you actually need to learn is website development and website design. There is no website developer or design that is hungry today unless the person doesn't know what he or she is doing. And the skills, you can actually learn them online. There are many tutorials on YouTube. A lot of businesses and individuals have websites today and they need to promote their businesses using websites. So it's a website developer that is actually going to develop that website for them. So website development is a very, very good online skills, and is very, very, they have this high payment, high income. It's a very, very good skill for you to have if you're actually looking forward to make money online. And the next one that you actually need to know is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization today is actually making money for people. And this is one of the high paying skills that you can actually go and learn if you want to acquire any basic skills online to be able to make money. Because these skills, it doesn't take time to learn it, and in a short while you can actually learn how to optimize, content. You can actually learn how to optimize sites for easy traffic so that people can be able to find content online like blogs and also on YouTube. So if you're interested in learning this particular skill, it is very, very important, and it can actually fetch you money. And the next one is blockchain. Thanks for crypto, thanks for businesses today is one of the skills that you can actually learn how to use and make money today. You can learn it on the internet, just like I told you. All of these skills are easy to learn. You can learn them on the internet, on YouTube especially. There are lots and lots of tutorials. And you can also do a paid course on Udemy. They are all there. Blockchain developers, they help to record blockchain transactions and prevent hackers. This is their job, and this is one of the high paying skills that you need to acquire if you actually want to make money. If you actually want to make money online, and the next skill that you need to acquire is project management. Project manager. Project manager is a kind of a leadership skill that you need to acquire, because you are going to help the business owner or your personal self to make sure that a project is actually completed. And you can also learn these skills. These skills, you can acquire them. Just like I told you, it is one of the high paying skills online. And the next one that you can actually learn today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the basic skills that you can actually acquire on the internet, because all you need to do is to find a product, market that product, and once you make any sale, make sure that you are affiliated to a particular company so that anytime you make any sales, they are definitely going to pay you your commission. And you can also work as an affiliate manager so that you can connect with other affiliates. Anytime you do business with them, anytime they sell any item, you'll be able to pay them their commission. This is one of the high paying skills that if you're actually looking for businesses that you can be able to earn money online, these businesses are always there for you, and you can actually earn an income that can actually help you to live. The next one is machine learning. Machine learning is one of the high paying skills that you actually need to know. And if you're interested in trying to know this, you can actually go and put yourself in a course or learn how you can go about it. You can learn how to go about machine learning online courses. And machine learning is all about researching and building algorithms, and also self-learning AI systems and predictive models. These are high-paying skills that people are doing today. And annually, the person can actually earn $150,000 if you actually know what you can do. Companies, businesses can actually employ you. You can also decide to work for yourself, and these high paying skills are making money for somebody. You don't actually need to complain. Next skills that you actually need to know today is graphic designs. As you can see today, you need graphic design for your arts, you need graphic design for your products, you need graphic design for your social media. You need graphic design everywhere, even on your website. So graphic design is one of the high paying skills that you actually need to learn if you have interest in learning this particular online skills. So graphic design, they do banners, they do logos, and these skills can never go. There is a rise in this particular niche. I'm telling you the truth. And the next one is branding. A lot of people know how to, they are good in making a business to stand out. And you know that you have the skills of making a business to stand out, from the logo, positioning a business to be able to stand out so that people can notice a business, rebranding a business. If you have these particular skills and if you have interest in learning them, you can also have a tutorial on this particular online skills online on YouTube. YouTube, everything is on YouTube. And the next one is writing. Writing skills is one of the best skills that you actually need to learn today. There are many writers today. And if you love writing, you can improve on that particular skill. The next skill that you can actually learn today is app development. A lot of people, because of a mobile phone that we are using today, we have billions of users that have mobile phones today. And app developers, they are creating lots of apps. Companies, business owners, individuals are creating apps, and is human being that will still create these apps is not a spirit, and people are downloading these apps. Through downloads they make their money. So if you know you like app creating apps, you can actually join and make money in this particular skills. And the next one is online teaching. Online teaching tutorial is one of the best skills that is actually making money for people today. You can stay in your home and do this particular skill. You can learn how to use them and it will make money for you. Build up your profile, put yourself in the necessary places that you actually need to be. And before you know it, you start making money with these particular skills. Another skills that I must talk about today that is making money for people is coaching. Coaching and consulting skills. If you have these coaching and consulting skills, they are actually making money for people today, because consulting is not that if you have interest, if you have interest in helping people to succeed, helping people to solve their problem, there must be a solution for a particular problem. So you can put yourself in a consulting class and learn how to use it and help people. A lot of people are doing this to actually help people to make money. These are high paying skills, and there is no how that if you are ready to, like, use any of these skills, that is not going to make you money unless you are not ready. If you are ready, these skills are all high in demand, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This is where I'm going to end today. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you next time, and bye bye.